Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Chevy Impala and I will show you the fuel injectors fuses. This video will apply to Chevy Impalas made from 2006 all the way up to 2013 and Chevy Impala Limited made from 2014 to 2016. Fuel injector fuses will be located in the main fuse box under the front hood, which is right here next to the vehicle battery. Now to remove the cover, first you'll want to unclip two black tabs, one on the right side and one on the left side. So just want to pull it up towards yourself. Once you've done that, just remove the cover. On the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. First fuel injector fuse will be located right here and it's a 15 amp blue fuse, and the second fuse will be just under it, second from the bottom, and it's also a 15 amp blue fuse. So you want to check these two fuses. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.